Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Car polisher spot repair from Parkside, the model PPM 800A1 for easy polishing and preparation for spot repairs of vehicle bodywork. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have in the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, gonna find out all about this product. 3 meters of cable, very convenient, easy to work. Soft elements around, I like it. With a handle, you can install it at 3 different positions, 1, 2, and another one here, 3. What is more suitable for you, install it and use this tool. At the back we have the speed control from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it is the maximum. The on-off switch, press, front, and it will lock. Press, unlock. Nice. The lock, unlock button for the polishing disc, and it locks here. You can remove that. Tool holder, it is M14. Press, it locks tight. That was all. This is the polishing disc, soft. The polishing pad, very easy to install and remove. Nice. The max polishing pad diameter, it is 80 mm, and this one it is 75 mm. Power consumption, it is 800 watts. With rotation speed from 1300 to 3900 RPM. First speed. Let's start with maximum speed, 6. Okay. Soft elements in here. You can remove that if you want. I like it. It will protect your car. If accidentally you hit any spot of your car, this soft pad, it will protect your car. And if you want, you can buy some accessories. Polishing attachment and sponge set. 31-piece set. So many. Wow, okay. And we have 2 adapters from M10 to 6.3 mm. 2 sanding discs with hook and loop fastener. So you can install the M10 adapter and you can use it with your cordless drill if you want. Very convenient. I like it. Very easy to remove. 2 synthetic wool pads, very soft. I like it. And you can install any of these attachments. Very easy. We have 25 polishing sponges in various degrees of coarseness. White color, green, red, black. Very soft. The black is very soft. Next it is the green, less soft. The red and the white, it is more hard. Nice. Some informations. And you can use all these attachments with this tool. If that is the black, that is more soft. The green. Red, already we have the red, but and on a different shape, the red. And the white. Same in here, different shape, and the white. Same goes and for the green. And for the black. Black, it is very soft. And of course the last, the two synthetic wool pads. Very soft. Whether it's swirl marks, light scratches or oxidation, the car polisher handles it with surprising ease. Its random orbital motion is key to preventing holograms and swirls, giving you a smooth, professional-looking finish without the risk of burning through paint that traditional rotary polishers might pose. The variable speed control allows for precise application, perfect for delicate spot repairs or walking on contoured surfaces. And its lightweight, ergonomic design means you can work comfortably for longer, achieving brilliant results without fatigue. For its size and price point only €30, the Parkside car polisher is an incredibly capable machine. It's the ideal tool for DIY enthusiasts who want to maintain their car's paintwork, perform quick touch-ups, or get into those tight spots where larger polishers simply can't reach. So if you are looking to restore shine, remove minor defects, and bring that showroom sparkle back to your vehicle without breaking the bank or needing professional help, the Parkside car polisher is definitely a smart addition to your detailing kit. Do you enjoy detailing your own car? What's your biggest paint correction challenge? Let us know your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. We love hearing from our fellow car enthusiasts. If this video helped you understand the car polisher better, please give us a big thumbs up, it truly supports our channel. And for more honest reviews of car care tools, garage essentials and DIY tips, make sure you are subscribed and have hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching everyone, we are always here to help you keep your rides looking their best. Until next time, keep your paint gleaming and we'll see you in the next video.